Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 6.3, sixth problem and the seventh problem. In this figure, if a triangle ABE, this triangle ABE, this triangle and is congruent to the triangle ACD. These two triangles are congruent. Okay. Show that triangle ADE. This triangle is similar to the triangle ABC, that is whole triangle. You have to prove that the two triangles are similar. Okay. From the given, first you have to write the given. Given triangle ABE is congruent to the triangle ACD. And to prove that triangle ADE is similar to the triangle ABC. Next, proof. Since we have to start from the given, so since triangle ABE is congruent to the triangle ACD, the two triangles are congruent. Since the two triangles are congruent, we can tell that the sides are equal. The corresponding sides are equal. So AB is equal to AC. BE is equal to DC and AE is equal to AD. The sides are equal. We can tell that the sides are equal. So I am going to take a side AD is equal to AE. AD is equal to AE. AD is equal to AE and mark this as 1. And then next one is AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC and I have taken the two sides of the triangle only. AD is equal to AE. Okay, by the property of a congruent triangles. Now, I am going to write the side as the corresponding sides are in same ratio. Since all the sides are equal, I can tell that it is in the same ratio by using one and two. By using 1 and 2, I can tell that the corresponding sides are in same ratio. Clear? And then now we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. No, that I am going to take now in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. In this two triangle, angle A is common. No, in the triangle ADE, it has a angle A, and in the triangle ABC also we have a triangle A. So angle A is common. Angle A is equal to angle A. Bracket la common. Clear? And then AD, just now we proved no, AD divided by AB. So AD, this side AD divided by AB, and another thing. Next one is AE divided by AC. So AE divided by AC. The corresponding sides are in same ratio. We proved that the two sides are in same ratio and one included angle is equal. Clear kana? Two corresponding sides are in same ratio and one included angle is equal. So AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC, then by SAS criterion of similarity, I can tell that the triangle ADE is similar to the triangle ABC. Now we concluded that the two triangles are similar. Clear all of you? From the given we have to see how we can prove the theorem and identify the similarity criterion. Which similarity criterion we have to use, that we have to check. Okay, after that we can proceed with the problem. Next, seventh problem in exercise 6.3. In figure, altitude means what? The line from the vertex to the base, it meets at 90 degree. ADCE of a triangle ABC intersect each other at a point P. You have to show that AEP is similar to the triangle ADP. Where is AEP? So draw that one separately. AEP. This is 90 degree. AEP. And then another one is CDP. Clear? Then now you have to prove that these two triangles are similar. How we can prove these two triangles are similar? First, see by which criterion we can prove that the two triangles are similar. Clear? So here they didn't mention anything about the sides. No, the only thing is the altitude angle is 90 degree. That only we know. And see, any other angle is equal. Any other angle is equal. Yes, these two angles are vertically opposite angles, so it is equal. So two angles are equal. I'm going to prove by AAA similarity. Clear? We found that by using this similarity only I'm going to prove. Okay. So first take a triangle. In triangle AEP and triangle CDP, the two triangle, this is equal. No? E. Between E, after that write the other two name of the vertex. Okay, angle is equal to angle DCP. Both angles each 90 degree. Both angles 90 degree. Next, what I said, these two angles are equal. Which angle we have to denote? P. So write in between and write the remaining side, remaining vertex name. Okay, and then P C D. This is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So by AAA similarity criterion, I can conclude that triangle AEP is similar to the triangle CDP. Are you clear? Draw the two triangles separately and see what are all possible way to prove it is similar. Okay. Then next, second, triangle ABD is similar to the triangle CBE. ABD is similar to the triangle CBE. Where is ABD? ABD, this triangle, and CBE, CBE, this triangle. ABD and CBE. So draw that triangle separately. Draw that triangle separately. AB and then CBE. C sorry, my diagram is not good, but see the concept. 90 degree. Both the angles are 90 degree. See whether there is any common angle for this two triangle. Yes, angle B is common. Angle B is common. Clear? So first take a triangle. In triangle ABD and triangle CBE. First take the two triangle and then first write the 90 degree angle D. Here D. So write in between A, B, and then here E, C, B. Okay, and then write angle B. Write in between and write the remaining vertex name at the sides. Okay, and then here B, C, E. Therefore, this is each 90 degree, this one each 90 degree, and this one is common. Angle B is common. So by AA similarity criterion, a triangle ABD is similar to the triangle CBE. Clear? Second thing also we proved. Next, third one, triangle AEP is similar to the triangle ADB. This one you have to tell that similar. Okay. What angle? AEP. 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 ADB. ADB. This is 90 degree. These two angles are 90 degree. And one more thing, what we have to prove. One more thing is angle A. Clear? In both the triangles we have angle A. So angle A is common. Angle A is common. First I am going to take a triangle in triangle AEP and triangle ADB. First you have to take and write the 90 degree angle first, E. Write the remaining vertex name in the other side, and here D, A, B. So it is each 90 degree, each 90 degree. And the next one is angle A, right in between. Remaining is E, P. And then here A in between, D, B. This is common. So I can conclude that by AAA similarity criterion, I can conclude that the triangle AEP is similar to the triangle ADB. Okay, next fourth one, what we have to prove? Triangle PDC is similar to the triangle BEC. Is similar to the triangle BEC. So where is PDC? PDC, this small triangle. This is 90 degree. PDC, and next triangle is BEC. EBC. Clear all of you? So this is 90 degree and here this is 90 degree. And then which one is common here? Which one is common? Angle C, angle C, angle C, angle C. Like this we can prove this part, subdivision part. Okay. First I am going to take a triangle. In triangle PDC and the triangle BEC, first 90 degree DPC is equal to EBC. First write 90 degree, and then common is C, and then common is C. Each 90 degree, and this is common. So by AA similarity criterion, triangle PDC is similar to the triangle BEC. Clear all of you? For all the four subdivision problem, we solved by AA similarity criterion. Why we chosen this one? They didn't give anything about the sides. So we proved by using two angles. Thank you.